watched our Miata oil cooler video, you would know that we're on a crusade to stop our cars from leaking oil on the driveway. This video will cover how we corrected our Honda Accord oil leak. But before we move forward, if you like these car videos and you would like to see more, click on the subscribe button, then tell me you subscribed in the channel comments below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, click the bell notification in the upper right hand corner of the page. Through troubleshooting, we discovered it was leaking from between the oil filter housing and the engine block. Using our Haynes manual, we researched the part and ordered it. Once the oil filter O-ring gasket seal came in, we proceeded to replace it. Because the oil filter housing is behind the passenger side tire, we had to remove the tire. To get at the bolts, we had to work from the top and bottom of the car. A repair shop would have charged us between $160 and $270. Our cost was around $10 for the O-ring. It's not shown here, but when you replace the oil filter housing, be sure to torque the filter housing bolts. If you don't torque the bolts, you're wasting your time and the car will still leak. This was a quick 2-hour job on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Again, if you like these car videos and you would like to see more, click on the subscribe button and tell me that you subscribe to the channel in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.